Let's make Hyderabadi mutton dum ki biryani. Let's make kache Aaqni. Take 1 and 1/2 kilogram mutton. Add 3 spoon raw papaya paste. Then add 3 spoon green chilli paste, 5 spoon ginger garlic paste. Then add 3 spoon salt, 2 spoon coriander powder, 1 spoon garam masala powder, 1 spoon turmeric powder, 3 spoon red chilli powder. Then add 4 fried whole onion. Use half quantity onion now, remaining half onion for later use. Then add 1/2 bunch of mint leaves. Then add 1 and 1/2 cup curd. Then mix all ingredients well. Then add 2 lemon juices. Then add 350 milliliters cooking oil. Add in mutton. Keep few tastes oil for later use. Mix it well. Then marinate for 2 hours. Let's make biryani rice. 1 and 1/2 kilogram basmati rice. Wash and soaked for 1 hour. Then add 4 liters water in it. Then add few slices of fried onion, few mint leaves, 2 spoon cooking oil, 2 inches of cinnamon sticks, 8 cardamom pods, 8 cloves and 1 bay leaf. Then add 8 spoon salt as per taste. Then cook on high flame. Rice should cook like these. First layer cook 35%, then remaining 1/2 quantity of rice cook 50%. Then add first layer of rice on marinated mutton Aaqni. Then add second layer of rice. Then garnish with orange food color. Few spoon oil. Then add few mint leaves, fried onion and lemon juice. Then cover the vessel with foil. Then cook first 10 minutes on high flame. Then cook on slow flame for 30 minutes. 30 minutes later check with fork spoon. If spoon comes out clearly, it means biryani perfectly cooked. Otherwise fork is wet, means cook few more 10 minutes. Then mix biryani slowly up and down.
Enjoy Hyderabadi dum ki biryani.